Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Reporting Contributions and Loans tutorial series. This video will demonstrate when and how to complete the Contractual Relationships form. Upon logging into the Campaign Finance electronic filing system, you will be taken to the Report menu. Step 2 on the Report menu is where you will enter any contributions and loans received by your committee during the reporting period. The Contractual Relationships section is a supplemental form that must only be filled by candidate committees under certain conditions. This form supplements the Contributions Received section when a contributor discloses an existing contractual relationship over $500 between themselves and the state or political subdivision in which the candidate is seeking office. The law states that reasonable effort should be used to obtain this information from contributors. Only the owner of the company that has the actual contract with the state or political subdivision must disclose this relationship. It does not include the company's employees. If your committee did not receive any contributions from an individual with a contractual relationship between themselves or the state or political subdivision in which you are seeking office, you do not need to complete this form. If your committee did receive such a contribution, enter the name of the contributor, the name of the company with the contract, the name of the political subdivision in which the contract is held, the mailing address of the agency or department, the starting and ending dates of the contract, and the total value of the contract. Once you have entered information into all required fields, click Save to enter the information into the grid at the bottom of the screen. After entering all contractual relationships, click Report menu to proceed to the next form. This concludes our Contractual Relationships form tutorial. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Part 6, where we will demonstrate how to complete the Investments Made and Held form.